Welcome to our podcast. It's amazing how easy and enjoyable learning English can be through podcasts. Today, we're going to show you that every conversation starts with a simple greeting. And that's why we focus on greetings and introductions. In everyday life, saying hello and introducing yourself can open many doors. This channel is your safe place for learning. Here, you will find support, understanding, and no judgment. In this episode, we will explore 50 useful phrases for greetings and introductions. Listen carefully and feel free to repeat each phrase after me. Whether you are meeting someone for the first time, catching up with an old friend, or simply practicing your speaking skills, these phrases will help you develop confident and natural conversation skills. Hello, a simple and universal way to greet anyone. Hi, an informal greeting that you can use with friends and family. Good morning. Use this greeting from early morning until noon. Good afternoon. This is used in the afternoon, after 12 p.m. Good evening. Say this greeting later in the day, usually after 6 p.m. How are you? A common way to ask about someone's well-being. How are you doing? This is a friendly way to ask how someone feels today. What's up? An informal question to ask what is happening in someone's life. Nice to meet you. Use this phrase when you meet someone for the first time. Pleased to meet you, a more polite version of nice to meet you. How do you do? A formal greeting, often used during a first meeting. Good to see you. Use this phrase when you meet someone you already know. Long time no see. Say this when you see someone you haven't seen for a long time. It's nice to see you again, a friendly greeting for someone you are happy to see again. How have you been? Ask this to learn about someone's life since you last met. What is your name? A direct way to ask someone for their name. My name is. Use this phrase to introduce yourself clearly. I am. Another simple method to state your name. Where are you from? Ask this to learn about someone's origin or hometown. I am from. Explain your place of origin in response. What do you do? Ask someone about their job or studies. I work as a. Use this phrase to describe your job. I study at. This is useful when you want to mention your school or university. It's a pleasure to meet you. A formal and polite way to express delight in meeting someone. Let's keep in touch. Invite the person to stay connected for future conversations. Can I have your contact details? Ask politely for someone's phone number or email. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? A friendly invitation to meet casually. What brings you here? Ask this to understand why someone is in a particular place. I am happy to see you. Show your positive feelings about meeting someone. I hope we can be friends. Express your wish to start a new relationship. Are you new here? Ask gently if the person is new to a group or place. Welcome. A warm phrase to make someone feel comfortable and included. It is good to meet another English learner. A friendly comment for someone who is learning English just like you. Are you interested in learning English? Ask if the person shares your passion for the language. I love meeting new people. A positive way to show enthusiasm for new connections. Tell me about yourself. Invite someone to share their story or interests. How old are you? An informal question about age. Use it carefully depending on context. What's your favorite hobby? Ask about interests and activities the person enjoys. Do you enjoy traveling? Learn if the person likes to explore new places. Where did you study English? Ask about their journey in learning the language. Do you like this course channel? Seek feedback about your shared learning resources. I enjoy learning from you. A kind compliment that shows you value your conversation partner. I like your style. Give a compliment about the way someone expresses themselves. What are you passionate about? Ask about their interests and dreams. Tell me about your family. Encourage a friendly discussion about personal backgrounds. I admire your work. Compliment someone on their achievements or creativity. Let's practice English together. Suggest practicing in a friendly, supportive way. May I join you? A polite way to ask to be part of a conversation or group. I am glad to talk with you. Express your happiness for having a conversation. See you soon. Use this phrase to say goodbye while showing you hope to meet again. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. I hope these 50 phrases will build your confidence in greeting and introducing yourself in English. Remember, every conversation is a step forward in your language learning journey. Our channel is a space for growth, understanding, and encouragement. We appreciate you taking the time to learn with us. Your progress matters. If you enjoyed this session, please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with friends who also want to learn English. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, every new greeting is a chance to make a new friend. See you in the next podcast, and happy learning.